Okay, let's begin. Next word is alto. Alto means tall. Juan es muy alto. Juan es muy alto. Juan is very tall. Los jugadores de baloncesto. It means the basketball players. Los jugadores is the players of basketball. Baloncesto suelen ser altos. Suelen ser altos. Generally, they are tall. Right? Basketball players, generally, they are tall. El chico alto ganó el premio. El chico alto ganó el premio. The tall boy won the award. So you can see one structure that you hear. So here in this sentence, boy is a noun, right? An adjective, it is coming before the noun to qualify it. Right. See here as well. Actually, this is a very deep concept. It will be like this is a linking verb here. It's the subject complement here. Adjective is working as a subject complement there. But in Spanish, you see, like chico alto. Let's take this example. Otherwise, that will be a grammatical concept. This video is especially for vocabulary, so I will prepare a different series on that so as to tell. So, but you can notice here chico alto. A noun is written before, and adjective that is qualifying that noun that is written afterwards. So you can see this pattern, just observe. So you can get a note that yeah, adjective that will qualify the noun that will come afterwards. Right. So let's go to the another word. Bajo. Bajo means short. Mi hermana es baja. Mi hermana es baja. My sister is short. El estante. El estante es demasiado bajo para mí. El estante es demasiado baja. It's too low. Para mí. For me. Para mi hermano. Para mi hermana. Like that also you can make the sentences. El estante es demasiado bajo para mí. Ese niño bajo. Again, adjective qualifying the noun written afterwards. Right. As in English, it is written before it. Of course, there are some grammatical rules that is governing it. We will talk about it when I will start the grammar series. Then I will tell you there. Otherwise, in the live class also, I will tell you that. Yeah, ese niño bajo es muy inteligente. That short boy is very smart. Gordo. Gordo means fat. Gordo means fat. Mi gato está un poco gordo. Mi gato está un poco gordo. My cat is a bit fat. Comer mucha pizza puede hacerte gordo. Comer mucha pizza puede hacerte gordo. It can make you fat. Papá Noel es un hombre gordo y alegre. Y alegre. Gordo y alegre. Es un hombre gordo y alegre. So he's a fat and jolly man. So again, see here, it's the noun. These are the adjectives that is qualifying that noun, right? But in Spanish, you see, noun is written before, adjective qualifying it is written afterwards. That's a generally used notion, though there are some exceptions to it. We'll talk about it as well. Okay, delgado. Delgado means slim. Delgado. Ella come, ella come sano para estar delgada. Ella come sano para estar delgada. She eats healthy to stay slim. Ya, ese vestido le queda bien a las personas delgadas. Ese vestido le queda bien a las personas delgadas. That dress looks good on slim people, right? Slim people, las personas delgadas. So noun before, adjectives afterwards. Quiero mantenerme, quiero mantenerme delgado haciendo ejercicio. Quiero man, ah, quiero mantenerme delgado haciendo ejercicio. Quiero mantenerme delgado haciendo ejercicio. Just pause the video, pronounce the words 2-3 times. You will start getting it. Flaco. Flaco means skinny. Él está muy flaco porque no como mucho. Oh, he is skinny because he doesn't eat much. Él está muy flaco porque no come mucho. Ese perro callejero está muy flaco. Este perro callejero está muy flaco. That stray dog is very skinny. Algunos modelos son extremadamente flacos. Algunos modelos son extremadamente flacos. So with that, we have completed 100 words in Spanish. That's a very good thing. Just pause the video, keep practicing, keep pronouncing. I will start the grammar series as well, so that will help you vocabulary, grammar, and also I'm conducting the live classes, so you can join that as well. Okay, I will upload a separate video on how to join those live classes. Okay, then till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. Do let me know the feedback. How is it? How is the video? What do I need to improve or add? Okay, then keep watching, like, subscribe, share. Thank you.